Code D, part 2 of 14, body. Create a new file. Select unit inches, select model template, enter the name, body. Click OK. Create a sketch in XY plane. Click OK. Select polygon. Number of sides 6. Inscribe radius. Size. Start from the sketch origin. Enter the radius. 0.308 inches. Rotation 0 degree. Right click. Finish the sketch. Select extrude. Extrude to a distance of 3.1 inches. OK. Now create a datum plane. Select XY plane. Enter the offset distance 3.55 inches. Click OK. Now create a sketch in this new datum plane. Type polygon. From the center sketch origin, enter the inscribe radius 0.35 inches. Rotation 0 degree. Right click, finish the sketch. Now select surface, select through curves. By default, the basic curve is selected. Now select add a new section, select region boundary curves. Select this surface. Click OK. Now select unite. Select the base body to the new through curve body. Click OK. Just datum planes can hide now. Now create a datum plane at a distance. Select the XY plane. Enter the offset distance 4.342 inches. OK. Now create a sketch. This new datum plane. Click OK. Draw a circle of diameter 0.5 inches. Sketch. Now select extrude. Specify vector reverse direction. End value until next. Select unite from the Boolean operation. Click OK. Hide the sketch and datum plane. Now create a hole. Select simple hole. Enter the hole diameter 0.44 inches. To specify the point, select the center. Depth limit value. Enter 4.1 inches and tip angle 0 degree. Boolean operation subtract. Click OK. Now create another hole. Enter the hole diameter 0.4 inches. To specify the point, select the arc center of the previous feature and depth limit through body. Boolean operation subtract. Click OK. Now create a sketch. Select this plane. Click OK. Draw a circle of diameter 0.6 inches. Select projector, select whisker, click OK, orient view to sketch, finish the sketch. Now select extrude to a distance of 0.345 inches. Select unit in the Boolean operation, click OK. Create a datum plane. Select at distance. Select this plane and enter the offset distance 0.55 inches. Okay. Create a sketch. This new datum plane. Click OK. Select projector. Select this outer curve. Click OK. Orient with to sketch. Now draw a circle from the origin to a diameter of 0.8608 inches. Finish the sketch. Select extrude. Select until extended. Select unit from the Boolean operation. Okay. Hide these sketches and datum plane. Select menu, insert, design feature, thread. Select detail thread. Select inch U1. Select this space. Select manual. Enter the shaft diameter 0.5608. Enter the major diameter 0.5608. Enter the minor diameter 0.5013 inches. Enter the thread length 0.3 inches. Click OK. Create a sketch. Select XZ datum plane. Select horizontal reference, Z axis, reverse plane normal. Click OK. Select include. Select the top edge. Create a point from the vertical axis. Edit this dimension to 1.702 inches from this horizontal. Edit this dimension 0.064 inches. Now create a circle diameter 0.24 inches. Select trim this curve, close the section, right click, finish the sketch. Now select extrude, select symmetric value, enter the distance 1 inch, select subtract from the Boolean operation, click OK. Now create a sketch. In XZ datum plane, select the horizontal reference, Z-axis, reverse plane normal, click OK. Now select include this line. Now create a point, edit this dimension to 0.035 inches on the vertical axis. Edit this dimension to 0.337 inches. Draw a circle from this point tangent to this line. Now create a horizontal line. Now create a vertical line to the length of 0.185 inches, angle 90 degree. Now create a point here from this horizontal line. Edit the center to 0.035 inches on the vertical line. Edit this dimension to 1.702 inches. Now draw a vertical line from the point to the top edge. Edit this dimension to 0.067 inches. From this vertical axis, distance of this line, enter 1.76 inches. Now create a line from this point to this point. Select offset, select this edge, enter the offset distance 0.083 inches. Click OK. Draw a circle. Draw a circle tangent to this line. Draw a vertical line tangent to this circle. Select make corner. Select make corner between these two lines. Select make tangent. Okay. Select trim. Delete this line. Draw a line in this arc to this point. Select trim. Trim this curve. Select make corner. Now draw a circle. Diameter 0.125 inches. On this vertical axis, circle center, edit this dimension to 0.103 inches. With reference to this center of VR, edit this dimension to 0.1 inches. Now select fillet, enter the radius 0.10 inches, select the distance and enter the radius 0.012 inches and select point. This completes our cross section. Finish the sketch. Select extrude. Select symmetric value. Select finite. Enter the symmetric value 0.22 inches. Click OK. View, show and hide. Data planes, points and sketches. This is the final model. Right click, orient view to trimetric. Save the file. File, source, all parts. This completes code D, part 2 of 14, body.